Alright, if you have a lot of standalone applications that you want to organize in some way, PinIt it's great solution. So find it in your local app store and install it. Now I'm going to open it. Okay, first I'm going to remove all of this. Now I want to pin these two app images. One is VCNI and another is Tabby Terminal Emulator. Okay. Now I'm going to pin two applications. One is going to be Tabby, but I'm going to add additional element to this name. Let's call it test. And I'm going to add icon file. Alright. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to add one more app. Exec file, it's in test, VCNI app image, but I have to edit this path. I have to add command open and icon, it's in here. Okay, I'm going to save it. And I pin these two. Now if I go to application list, if I look for VCNI, you can see that I have VCNI test in here, and if I look for Tabby, you can see that I have my Tabby test in here. If I press enter, app is going to be executed.